Good morning guys, today is Saturday and I'm vlogging because we're doing something special today. I'm going to Gruyere with a friend of mine, and yes, Gruyere as in the cheese. That's where I think they created, like they produce the cheese Gruyere, which is from Switzerland. And there it's like a cute little village that I love. I've been there already, but I really love it. It's like so magical, and yeah, especially during winter. Today though it's raining, so I don't know how it's gonna be, but I'm really excited still. And in Gruyere there's also the cheese factory and the chocolate factory, so we're gonna do that. I'm gonna head out now. She's a bit late as always, and yeah, I'm gonna meet my friend and we're gonna go to Gruyere.
She said I won't be back in a while, don't wait. Already packed her bags, called a cab, made space.
So we just finished the museum now, and they gave us little cheeses to try. Ooh. And now we are in the village of Gruyere, and we just climbed up here. It was really hard.
It just can't be how it's supposed to end up. It's not enough, and maybe time will make you feel, but I don't know if I'm ready to just let you go away, like my friends think I should. 'Cause
So we just stopped at a restaurant and we're gonna have a little fondue and with the view.
But I kinda hope he breaks her heart into little pieces and let me pick them all back up and put them back together. But I can't believe I let you slip. I think about it 7 days a week, and this just can't be how it's supposed to end up. 'Cause what if you should really be with me? I wonder what the hell you didn't see. But honestly, I can't remember if I loved you, but it feels like I did when I think about you now.
Wow! We just finished eating and we're in a rush because we have to go to the chocolate factory.
What if I
And it's raining now.
Oh, I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do. But honestly, I can't remember if you loved me, or maybe I'm just feeling lonely.
So we just arrived a bit late, but they still accepted us, and we have the little cahier, and they gave us this for the visit as well.
We are not the ones to blame. We were tired of playing games, no wonder. I know we had our ups and downs, always thought we got around stronger. But we were drifting more apart, and it's tearing up my heart in pieces. 'Cause what we had was long ago. All I know is how it slowly ceases. It ceases in the arms of a stranger, a compelling pretender. We were walking on wire, like a moth to a fire, pulling closer to danger, in the arms of a stranger. I've been trying to figure out what we really were about together. We lived in different universes, empty promises for worse or better. The challenges of me and you.
Hi. How are you? Where are you from?
We got some fruit chocolate.
Oh, seemed like an easy rendezvous. Now I see I never knew you at all, at all. In the arms of a stranger, a compelling pretender. We were walking on wire, like a moth to a fire, pulling closer to danger, in the arms of a stranger.
So I bought some chocolate.
In the arms of a stranger, we were walking on wire, like a moth to a fire, pulling closer to danger.
Just finished visiting the chocolate museum, and now we're going to the hot springs, which are here, and it looks really good and the view is really nice. It's raining a lot, so we are at the hot spring. It's 25 euros for students and then 5 euros for the bracelet that they're gonna give us back. I think we are not allowed to turn our phone in, so I'll see you when we're finished. It is the next day. I'm sorry I didn't end the vlog yesterday because we went to the hot springs. We couldn't vlog inside, so obviously I couldn't show you guys how it is inside. Then we finished at around 9:30, so it was quite late, and my friend who was driving, she broke her contact lens. It was like kind of stuck in her eye, so that broke them, so she couldn't drive, so I had to drive. And then so we left at 9:30 and we arrived I think around 11 p.m. because I drove quite slow because it was raining quite a lot, so I was kind of scared, but I was okay. And then yeah, I stayed a little bit with her. We tried the cheese, which was really good. Yeah, it was a great day. I loved it so much. It would have been better to have nicer weather, but it didn't rain that much, so that was fine. We went to the chocolate factory, which is Cailler, and I bought some chocolate. So I just wanted to show you guys what I got. I tried to buy chocolates that we couldn't find at the supermarket, because obviously Cailler you can find at a supermarket, so I tried to have like unique ones. So I think the most unique are these. So branches are a very popular product from Cailler, but you usually see the green, red and blue ones, which I got from like the free thingy. I saw that one, which I didn't know about, so I got this one to try, and it is salted caramel. Then I got these two. This one is some nuts, and this one is also with salted caramel. And then these, I got 3 of these. This one is dark chocolate with truffle, I think. And then I got 2 of these milk chocolate, so I'm really excited to try those as well. So yeah, I'm gonna end this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this little vlog of Switzerland. Hopefully I'll do more of these, because I really love my country and it has so much to offer, and I think I could make a lot of great you know, discovery vlogs if you're interested. And yeah, if you liked this vlog, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. That would mean the world to me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.